Hello everyone, my name is Bob and today I am going to be your tutor. And today we are going to talk about replacement policy, which is called optimal. You might wonder, what is optimal replacement policy? Let me break it down for you. Optimal replacement policy. The best page replacement technique we employ for replacing pages is called optimal page replacement policy. When compared to other pages from frames, which is secondary memory, the page with the lowest future demand is replaced using this policy. Whenever a page defects emerge, a replacement is made. The purpose of this policy is to minimize the page fault. And now, let's see how the optimal page replacement algorithm works. First of all, we put the first number into the first column, which is 2, and then we copy the previous number and then put the second in demand, which is 3. After that, we notice that the next request is already in the column, which is 2, so there's no need to change anymore. For the fourth request, we bring down 1, and this is what we call frame. Then the next request is 5, but the frame is already full. So in this case, you can see that the number 2 and 3 is in the future demand. So we change the number 1 and to 5 because there is no 1 in the future. And this is what we call page fault. For the next request, it's the same as the third request where there is the same number on the frame, so no need to change. For the next request, you need to see which number in the frame is the farthest away from the current request. In this case, it is 2, so the number 2 will be changed to 4. For the next two requests, the number is already in the frame, which means there is no need to change. For the next request, which is the number 2, you have two options here. You can either change the 4 or 3 because there is no future demand of it. So in this case, I pick 4 to change, and this is the page fault. For the next request, which is the number 5, the number 5 is already in the frame, so there's no need to change. For the last request, it's also the same. The current request is 2, and the number 2 is already in the frame, so there's no need to change anything. And this is the result of the optimal page replacement algorithm. In this condition, it shows that we have 3 over 12 page fault. So how about hit? Hit is contradict to page fault, which means we calculate the one that not producing fault number, and the result is 5 over 12.